y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to K&A's Family Homestead. We are in the Blended Roots garden where we're going to start a raised bed by using Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back again. One of the things that's so superficial is pallets. You can find it free, they're good wood, and they're most of the time the size you need to start almost any project. Now, I know when you're saying pallets, raised bed, how can you do that? Well, here in the garden, we have high raised beds, about 2 feet off the ground. We also got some that are 12. We try to use every square footage here in the garden to try to get the most out of it. But here, part of a pallet that I took apart, and is a 6x1. Cut it down size to the perfect end. I'm gonna nail them corner to corner. And I'm gonna put them right against this bed here. And that's pretty much it. Gonna fill it up with organic soil, a little bit of topsoil, mix it in, get that amenities in there to start my basil seedlings. I'm just gonna throw in there and have them grow right there from soil. So with that being said, let's get to work. Now that the box is all done, it's all squared off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my organic fertilizer, my rabbit pellets, and some topsoil. Give it a good mix and maybe throw some fertilizer in there before I start putting anything in the bed. So let's go ahead and start that and grab those bags. Now, real quickly, about to go and mend the soil, give it some extra food, some fertilizer, mix it real good, get it nice and moist. Because it's topsoil, I did put some organic matter in there and rabbit manure, so that's gonna also fertilize it even better. But also I'm gonna give it some organic food, fish fertilizer, mix it all in there before I start planting. All right, guys, so I'm all done with the bed. Now I'm about to go ahead and throw my seedlings in. And what I'm gonna be doing is basil. The whole bed is gonna be basil. So I'm not really worried about spacing them. Just gonna go ahead, throw them in the bed and give it a little sprinkle. And with this heat, because we're in the middle of the season, the heat can jeopardize your seedlings. So make sure at least every 6 hours you give them a quick sprinkle of some water so your seeds won't dry out. As soon as they dry out, you might as well plant something else because your seeds just died. So with that being said, let's go. There you guys have it. There goes the bed out of pallets. Didn't cost me nothing. I used the same soil that I dug up in a pile there and used the wood chips, used organic matter and food for the plant itself. Other than that, the pallet was free. The nails was reused nails. Can't get better than that, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this gives you some ideas. The bed itself it worked out good, as you can see, right attached to my raised bed, and it works perfect. Only had to use 2 boards, cut 2 and use 1. 2 boards is all I needed to do this here, and I got myself a raised bed ready to grow basils. All right, guys. Till next time, I hope this video did some purpose. I see you in the next video.